Ignition is a little loose in there, needs to be tightened up. But we're gonna try to start it. Oh yeah. Running. Bit of an exhaust leak down here that I have not been able to get to yet. Sounds pretty good. We do have some brake now. Got to pump it up a little, but it will eventually. Now there's brake. Turn this off. The inside here, we got rid of the old mattress, that dresser. This thing, I think we're going to take that out. Just takes up a lot of room, and 95% of people can't start a fire these days anyway, so probably just going to take that out and put some sort of electric heater. I removed these things, which are cool. They're glass and like an aluminum or chrome. I'm gonna try to get the paint off of those. What a cool color underneath there though. Like a pea green. But yeah, that's where we're at. Making progress, slowly but surely.